Hi there, Christina Sieberts, truthandit.com. We are here once again, VMware Explore 2022. I am with Bob from Hitachi. Bob, how are you today?
I'm well, thank you.
Are you finally happy to be back in person after 2 years of having been remote and stuck behind the screen?
Very excited to be here. So good to, I'd like to say, get COVID beyond us and bring us all back together again.
Absolutely, I think a lot of us would agree with that. So Bob, if you could just give our audience a brief overview of what your job, your title is at Hitachi, and really what's new with the business. Like, what are you guys showcasing here today?
Sure, I'm the director of our pre-sales organization and our Americas organization. And we're actually a part of Hitachi Vantara. We're one of 700 different companies here, part of their digital solutions organization. And what's new for Hitachi is that we're more than yesterday's Hitachi, right? We're really a company today that's about the data journey. We've been notoriously known for incredibly strong and well-engineered storage solutions, but we're more about the data and the end-to-end journey, as our customers are as well. So what we're showcasing here today is really about hybrid cloud and all that we can bring from an end-to-end perspective and frankly, the business outcomes that customers are seeking.
That's great. So can you just elaborate more on what that means to Hitachi and the story that you're trying to tell in the marketplace? What does that data journey really mean in terms of storage and hybrid cloud? What are the solutions that are really tying all of those things together?
Sure. Well, it's kind of represented in how our company continues to transform because the market's transforming, right? So in 2017, we became Hitachi Vantara, and with that, we incorporated a number of our company organizations focused around data. So we brought together companies like Pentaho, Hitachi Consulting, Rain. We made a number of acquisitions that are all around really managing data, using data, driving data analytics, and it's not just storing it, but it's how do you use it and what outcomes you drive. Today's conversations with executives are not really around the infrastructure, they're around how do I drive my business outcomes. So that's our focus, and that's really where we're trying to go today.
Yeah, I think that sounds very relevant. So is there anything new and special that's kind of in the works going forward that you can give us a sneak peek on? Anything new you're rolling out soon? Anything you can tell our audience?
Well, I appreciate that. Those are great questions to ask. Our focus is, and you'll hear this a lot more from Hitachi Vantara today, is all about hybrid cloud. And with that comes new technologies. How do you do things faster, better? How do you do it in a more integrated fashion? Our relationship with VMware is very, very tight, and with that, we're trying to drive the outcomes of automation that are going to drive those needs. So that's what's coming. You'll see more of from Hitachi Vantara.
That's great. And are there any final thoughts that you would leave our audience in terms of where they can go to find out more? Are there any upcoming events that you guys have?
We have a number of events. Probably the best thing to do is to go out to HitachiVantara.com or Hitachi.com and follow those links. We have a lot of information that we're trying to get out more and share that we're not just what we were before, we're far more than we were before.
That's really important for our audience to know. Well, Bob, thank you so much for your time today. I hope you have a great rest of the show.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you, and we'll be back with more.